Hello, excuse me, Angie Hall with Windermere Real Estate and Bell Residence. Just here to provide our weekly market recap already at the end of another week. So let's just dive right on in. So for all of King County in the last 7 days, there were 506 closed sales. Median days on market is still right at 6. And the median price this week was $925,000. Which was down slightly from $980,000 a week ago. For our waterfront market, we had 6 total closed sales, 13 median days on market for the waterfront, and this is waterfront from Magnolia down to the South Sound, Browns Point, just to give a indication of zones there. Median days on market 13, and the median price this week for waterfront was $2.062 million. The South Sound is still seeing the quickest sales with 4 days on market and under $1 million. So if you're looking for waterfront and some good deals, South Sound has some beautiful locations and prices are a little bit more below that million down in that area. So for Area 130 in the last week closed sales, we had 12. So Area 130 again is Burien, so Seahurst, Shorewood, Normandy Park, Three Tree Point. So we had 12 closed sales, 6 median days on market with a $750,000 median selling point. This was slightly down from the week before, but what was interesting is that this week there were actually 4 sales that closed at the $1.3 million, 1.3 plus. And so to see the 750 median price point was a little interesting, but we had some of those higher end close this week. The highest percent over for the week was 13%. And that was a home that was listed at $659,000 and closed at $750,000. So just some little facts and figures there. So current market active in all of King County, residential, not condos, at the 600 and above price point. So there are currently 1,357 active listings. 2,616 are pending, giving us 193% seller's market. So 55% is a neutral market. Below 55, buyers. Anything above 55 is sellers. So at 193, we're still strong seller's market. For waterfront, there are currently 14 active, 15 are pending with 140% seller's market. Interesting here, 10 of the 14 actives have actually been on for 2 weeks or more. And some of these properties are beautiful. So it might be an opportunity to go and look at something that's been on the market longer than, your typical 6 days on market. So there are some beautiful properties waterfront right now. And then for our Area 130, so the Burien area, we have 43 that are currently active. 52 are pending, giving us 121% seller's market. 11 of the active are actually at 1.1 or above, and 3 weeks or more on market on those ones. So if you're in kind of that over $1 million market, there are some also beauties in that category as well. So there is some opportunity there, buyers. So that's all I have for us this week. Just a quick rundown. It's obviously still a very strong seller's market. Going to be warm this weekend, so be safe and shop local. I know the shop Seahurst is celebrating its, I believe, 3rd year in business birthday, so please stop by and say hello there. Classic Eats on 152nd just redid their back patio, which looks amazing, and Paper Delights helped them do that. So pop in and say hi to all those lovely businesses if you're out and about. Any questions for me, Angie at windermere.com, or head over to bellresidence.com to see what we currently have. Have a wonderful weekend, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.